Blender Donut Tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer. In the program, you will see the Blender Studio panel. In a new file, click General. Delete the preset cube and add a torus under Mesh by pressing Shift+A on the keyboard. Set the minor radius to 0.5 in the lower left corner. Press Ctrl+2 to add subdivision to the donut object. Duplicate the object by pressing Shift+D. In edit mode, scale down the duplicate by pressing Alt+S. Return to object mode, go to Object Quick Effect, and add Quick Liquid. Select the base, go to Properties, search for Fluid, set the type to Effector, change sampling substeps to 2, and click Use Effector. In the outliner, select Liquid Domain, then under Properties, increase the resolution to 38 and add Mesh. Press play and stop at the frame you like best. Go to Object and convert it to a mesh.